Today I'm going to be working on another flower postcard. I already have 7 and I have this one page left. Let me just gather these up. And I pulled some fabrics. I'm going to try to go with blue today and see how that looks. I'm going to start by cutting out some circles and see where it takes me. I've gone ahead and layered 4 different sizes of circles, and I cut out more circles out of this tulle fabric. I'm just going to play around with it and see which layer I want this tulle to be. I could go on top like this. I could go somewhere in the middle. I could go underneath. I'm thinking I'll probably put the tulle on top just to mute all the other fabrics and sort of blend them together. I'm going in with some sewing thread and I'm just going to create a spiral going around and around to attach all of these circles to the base fabric. I'm going to use 2 strands of this green embroidery floss and a back stitch to create the stems. I love using beads to add texture and sparkle to my work, and so that's what I'm going to do here. And finally, to complete this picture, I added some teeny tiny little buttons.